Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the career options in the tech industry? Well, you're not alone. I tried doing sales, multi-level marketing,
Be your own boss, earn extra money.
How the is everyone?
data analysis, tried tons of different online courses, and even spent tons of money to take a coding bootcamp to just realize that none of these were my true passions. And after finally learning the hard way, these are the things that I wish I knew before I finally found what my ideal tech career is. The first step in determining the right tech career for you is to conduct a self-assessment. Take some time to think about your interests, skills, and strengths. What excites you the most about the tech industry? Are you a problem solver, a creative thinker, or someone who loves to analyze data? Know your strengths and passions will greatly narrow down your options and help you find a career that aligns with your true calling. On a side note, not all tech careers requires a technical background, so there's no need to be alarmed if you come from a non-technical background. Besides, you can always learn these skills. Take some time to think about these questions that I'm going to share with you on the screen. I recommend pausing this video to process all these questions and do some self-reflection. By any means, the list is not exhaustive, but you can use it as a starting point to determine which career role you would like to pursue. I personally never did a self-assessment and maybe not enough research at that time. And because of the hype that I found around, I jumped right into taking an intensive coding bootcamp. And if I had known this before, I might have avoided spending a lump sum of money. But hey, you don't really know until you try, right? Now that you've done your self-assessment, find out which roles you like to pursue and what kind of industries you also would be interested in working in. These are some of the most popular tech jobs, and hopefully the self-assessment can help you determine what would be most suitable for you. The list by any means is not in order of popularity, but for you to have an initial point of reference out there. Data analyst, data scientist. If you're someone who loves numbers and analyzing data, you might want to consider becoming a data analyst. In 2023, data will continue to become a driving force in the tech industry, making it a perfect time for you to start your career in this field. A data scientist typically has a more in-depth knowledge of machine learning algorithms, predictive modeling, and programming languages. Software engineer. Software engineers design, develop, and maintain software solutions to solve business needs. There are variations within this role such as blockchain engineer, full-stack developer, AI engineer, web developer, cloud computing engineer. Product manager. PMs are responsible for developing and executing successful software development strategies. Through market analysis, they identify customer needs, develop launch plans and pricing models, and coordinate it with cross-functional teams to ensure the successful launch of new products. Product managers also create roadmaps that define long-term product objectives and features. UX designer. UX designers create a strong user experience through intuitive design and attractive visuals. They work closely with product teams to craft designs that make products simple, enjoyable, and easy to use. By gathering customer feedback, they can improve current interfaces. Product designers are involved in the entire design process of a product, including brainstorming, UX, project management, and business-related processes. Digital marketing managers are responsible for implementing, overseeing, and managing digital marketing strategies that advance an organization's mission by reaching a broad audience. Tech sales jobs often involve identifying new sales opportunities, like talking to clients about what kinds of issues they face and how your product could help. For some, this may look like cold calling clients, connecting with leads, or discovering new leads through networking. Mind you, there are some more roles than the ones I just mentioned, but this is just for you to get the gist of it. Now spend some time and think which roles seem more appealing to you. We all know how overwhelming it can be to navigate through the vast ocean of tech careers. There are so many options and paths to choose from. This is where mentors step in. Mentors are experienced professionals who have been through it all, and they can provide you with the guidance and support you need to find the perfect tech career for you. They can share their wisdom, help you set goals, and guide you towards the right opportunities. Careers are not always linear. With proper mentoring, career changers can benefit from the wealth of knowledge and expertise mentors bring to the table. They have already walked the path you aspire to take and have accumulated a treasure chest of insights along the way. Most importantly, it helps you save time and figure out if this is the right career for you. By tapping into their knowledge, you'll gain invaluable industry-specific insights, tricks of the trade, and insider information that can give you a significant advantage in your tech career journey. Ultimately, they can potentially provide personalized guidance, networking opportunities, and crucial support. So, if you're looking to find the right career fit in tech, don't underestimate the power of having a mentor by your side. If you don't have access to mentors near you, a really great resource that you could consider, it's ADP List. This is a free platform for people when they want to connect with mentors, regardless of the industry and also the career that you want to pursue. And on a side note, I'm not sponsored by them at all. There will be times when you're gonna be down and unmotivated, and also embarking on a tech new career can be challenging and overwhelming. But fear not, because mentors are also here to provide emotional support. They've been through their fair share of ups and downs and can offer empathy, encouragement, and motivation when you need them the most. Having someone by your side who believes in your abilities can make all the difference, helping you stay focused, confident, and resilient. Imagine simply Googling about a tech career without actually getting your hands dirty, or even just watching this video. Boring, right? That's why trying out is an absolute game changer. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty on some coding challenges, participating in hackathons, or building a digital product, or even joining an open source project. Hands-on experience allows you to learn, experiment, and understand the day-to-day reality of working in the tech industry. For example, if it's coding, you can try out a plethora of coding courses ranging from Code Academy, Free Code Camp, or Odin Project. Some of these websites offer different paths, so you can get an initial taste and see what you like the most. If it's product management, try finding a pain point and finding a simple digital solution that could solve it. Do you go through this whole software development process and realize if it's a good fit for you or not? As a UX designer, for example, try designing an initial prototype and sketching some visuals through apps such as Figma, Balsamiq, or even Photoshop. If you want to try digital marketing, you can practice digital marketing skills while working on real-world projects. Creating a dummy website for experimentation or offering to work for free at small businesses or nonprofit organizations can really make a difference when you're starting out. If you like talking to people, negotiating, and having the pressure of achieving quotas, this might be good for you. These, in the end, will not only help you validate your interests, but also provide you with valuable insights. Taking action is the key to finding your perfect fit. Navigating the vast world of tech careers can be really overwhelming. Self-assessment, trying out different things, and looking for mentorship, you can find the perfect match and career for you. I personally wish I had known these steps before diving into a tech career, as it would have saved me time and effort. But hey, we all learn through experiences, and it would make me really happy if I could be really helpful in the end. If you're curious about how to break into the tech industry, click on the link in the description for more in-depth guidance. And if you're wondering whether bootcamps are worth it, check out the other link over here to make an informed decision.